We are teaching them how to become a competent by providing dignity and respect to our residents and the patients while they're working in a facility. We have mannequins. I can demonstrate how to do a particular procedure, for example, bathing, toileting, sitting, and we have equipments related to that like urinary bags, urinary catheters. We have briefs like incontinent briefs. We have grooming stuff. We have PPE, which is personal protective equipments. We have slings, how to lift the patients with the slings. We have Hoyer lifter machines. We have wheelchairs here where we can teach the students how to transfer the patients from the bed to wheelchair and from the wheelchair to the bed. And we have a cute little bathroom here as well where we can show the students how to give them the shower and bath, and also how to move the unable patients from the wheelchair to the bed, to the shower. And along with that, there are certain procedures regarding vital signs. We have BP machines, thermometer, hearing aids, and grooming stuff. We are basically a lot.